Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to Get Up and Go. My name is Brandon and it has been over 24 hours, so let's check on the machine and see how everything's going, see how cold the sodas are. So as you can see, there are marks and it is building up moisture on the sodas and they are cold. So that is a great sign. We only have one thing left to do, and that is to replace this motor, which we need to 3D print this part. So I'm going to be getting measurements today. In the next episode I will be modeling and 3D printing that part. But what we are doing today is we're going to try and remove all of this. I have a scraper. I'm going to try and use PB Blaster and hopefully that'll work. If not, I'm going to have to try other things. I was going to use a heat gun, but I do not have one here right now. So I'm hoping PB Blaster will work. So let's just get right into it and I will start trying to peel that off. Alright, so I finally got it done. It wasn't as bad as I thought. This side was a lot worse than the other side. I think it's because I had less damage on it, so it didn't have time to let the PB Blaster actually soak in. But that's all that's got to go out into the dumpster. I'm probably going to have to spray it down with some degreaser to get the PB Blaster off of it. But what we have to do now is head into my dad's shop where he prints shirts, does signs, decals, I don't know, a lot of stuff, embroiders, and get a design going to put on the side. I think I'm going to go with the same flow that's kind of already there. I might leave it black, but I think I'm going to try and put something on the side to kind of spice it up a little bit. So basically all you have to do is just design it in Illustrator, and then once it's in Illustrator, you just send it over to one of these machines. And it just works like a big photo printer, except you're basically printing on a sticker. And then once it dries, you cut it out, and then you can stick it on there. Or you can have a separate machine, like he has right here, right on the tip of this piece. This will move up and down, and it's got a tiny little needle on it. And it's not actually a needle. You can see it's kind of got like a right angle, triangle little looking thing to it. And it's basically just a razor blade on that piece, and that'll move up and down. It'll trace out the edges and allow you to get a circular sticker or whatever. I'm just gonna need a rectangle, so I'll probably just cut it out by hand using a ruler, and then once we get that all cut out, just put it back on the machine. I'm thinking about redoing the front of the machine as well, so that can be a new design. I'll probably go with the same branding. I'm not sure. I'm not too sure what I'm actually going to do, though. I just want it to stand out, get people interested. Luckily, right across the street is our local high school, so I want to find a place around here to put it. That way we got the foot traffic from the high school and people going on walks here as well. Just think that would bring in more sales. So this was probably a pretty short episode compared to the last episode, but I think I'm going to end it off here. Since that was a lot of work. It's dark out now. And then in the next episode, we'll be doing the 3D printing and modeling, which I probably said I was doing in this episode. I plan on doing in the next episode, or the design for the stickers, because those are basically the last two things I got to do. Maybe I'll go around and scout out some areas, but those are some ideas of what might be happening. I just usually go with the flow on what I feel like filming that day. But if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.